everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to enable hotspot in your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you want to learn about the hotspot settings of your device Vivo V25 Pro, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to enable hotspot in your device.